Hey everyone, welcome back, and today I wanted to talk about this PSP that I have here, and it's going to be for sale on my website, so please go check it out. And this is a PSP that was part of a payment to modify someone's PS Vita. There was a lot of issues with this PSP, but I managed to get it back up and running, and the firmware now is updated to the latest ARC4 modern custom firmware with the WA2 plugin installed, so you can connect to any internet whatsoever. You don't have to really go back to 2.4 gigahertz connection, so that's nice. Not only that, it has customized LED triggers that I just installed, and it's fully sound activated, so I soldered it to the two speakers, the left and right speakers, and it works great. I'm super stoked on how this turned out. I'll talk about the modifications later on in this video, but I wanted to just talk about how I was able to get this up and running. It was strange. I've never seen a brick like this where after 10 minutes it would sit on a black screen, then you weren't able to do anything. So that was like the main issue. And anytime you loaded up a game via UMD or memory stick, it would go into that black screen and nothing would happen, and you couldn't even turn it off. So you would have to completely remove the battery to get it to restart again. But even then, after having the battery out for like 5 minutes, I would pop it back in and it still wouldn't power on. So it was very, very strange. But I managed to fix it by downgrading it to 6.60 and flushing out all of the custom firmware, restoring everything to default settings, and it turned out pretty good. And right now it has the latest ARC4 custom firmware, the modern custom firmware, and it's running great. Just loaded it with a bunch of awesome custom themes. So this particular model will have over 50 themes, and it will be available on my website for sale. Now, the way that I soldered these two LEDs, I basically soldered them to the two speakers available on the PSP. Now, I could have gone the route of no soldering by opening up the two wires on the speakers and wrapping the LED wires over those wires, which is a little complicated, and I don't have like a tool to really cut those wires, and I was having a hard time cutting the wires because they're very thin. And I went with 0402 LEDs, which are perfect for the PSP because of the wiring and how small the LEDs are and just the way that they fit in the triggers. And with the triggers, I drilled some holes so I can fit the LED in there properly. And I used a multi-purpose adhesive, which was B7000, and it works great. And I'll have links to everything that I used in the description down below. So Amazon affiliate links, everything came from Amazon. Now, the reason why I started this project was because a customer actually reached out to me wanting to get their PSP 1000 shell swapped, and I do provide that service on my website if you're interested. And they also mentioned LED modifications, which I am very familiar with, and I've done this many times in the past, but I haven't done it as of recent. So I wanted to kind of test the waters a little bit, and I ordered a bunch of really cool LEDs that would fit perfectly on the PSP. And this service is available on my website as well. So if you want to get the LED triggers all set up on your PSP, go ahead and check my website out for that service. And the way it works is that it's a mail-in service, so you'll send in your PSP, I'll work on it, and the turnaround is 1 to 2 business days depending on how many orders I get in. So right now I have, I believe, 5 available colors: white, red, green, blue, and beige. All the colors are available, and you'll get an LED in each of the triggers sound activated, and they will be completely soldered on, so you don't have to worry about any loose connections or anything like that. And I do have a lot of experience with messing with PSPs. I've been messing with smartphones, handhelds, and gaming consoles for over 10 years, so I have a lot of experience, and you guys can trust someone like me to take care of your console. And I'm very transparent when it comes to contacting the customer. I love to send photos through Discord or through email, whichever works best for you. You guys can select whichever messaging method you'd like to use or what you prefer. So yeah, this PSP is going to be available for sale. It's going to be packed with a 128 gigabyte card full of awesome stuff, a custom SD card adapter, a couple of lanyards, and a PSP pouch. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Let me know in the comment section what you think of this really cool mod or my services that I provide on my website. I'd really appreciate your feedback. And if you have any questions about my services, join the Discord and connect with me or send me an email. I'll be happy to answer all of your questions. Thank you all so much for watching, guys. Take care, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. But yeah, I really need your guys's orders, because like my glasses broke and I've been using hot glue gun for like the last month or so, and I've been very broke. So I need your guys' help. I need your support, please. Let me get like one order. I actually did get one order for a custom PSP SD card adapter. So yeah.